It's Denise here again. I decided to continue the blogging and vlogging with some encouragement from teenage son. Apparently it's the way to go, so that's what I'm doing. I'm recording everything on my phone, so if the quality is poor, I really do apologise, but this is the best I can do because I'm not very technical, I'm afraid. Now today's vlog, I have already blogged about keeping your home tidy and how to get on top of the cleaning regime in your home on my blog, Denise Smith Designs. Feel free to have a look at that. There are some good blogs on there if you're interested in designing your home or redesigning your home for the new year. Today's vlog is about how I keep my home tidy, and this is my home that I will be showing you around. I'm not the tidiest person in the world, so this was a bit of an effort for me. But the thing is, I've made it into a habit, so it's something that I do regularly now, when I've only really started over the last year or so, but it has made my life so much easier. Just to do a little every day makes the end of the week so much easier for me, so I don't have that enormous clean that would take all of Friday or all of Saturday. So a little bit every day just is the way to go. Seriously, trust me on this. So I've got 5 tips for you, and you've probably heard them before, but I'm going to tell you again. The first thing you've got to do every morning is make your bed. Seriously, it takes less than a minute and it will change the look of the room, and when you come home in the evening it is done and the room looks tidy, and you know, you're not in a bad mood when you see a big crumpled bed and having to make the bed before you get into the bed. So really, it's the way to go. Just make your bed. Okay, the best way to start the day is to make the bed. It will take 2 minutes. The room will be tidy and you'll feel much better when you come in the evening and it's already done. Seriously, it's not like the old days when we had blankets and all sorts of stuff. You just gotta do your cushions, spread your duvet, like so. And your bed is made, all ready for the evening. There you go. Number 2, after you shower, just put everything away in the cupboard in your bathroom and then wipe down the sink. And just wipe down the sink or wipe down the loo, the toilet, and it will save you at the end of the week having a thick, grimy sink or bathroom to clean. There is nothing worse than having grime to scrub out of a bathroom sink, because it's just dreadful. It's absolutely dreadful because toothpaste is like glue. It just sticks to the sink. The other thing you should do first thing in the morning is tidy the bathroom as you go. So when you have finished putting on your makeup and all your other bits and bobs, just tidy them all away in the cupboard under your sink or wherever it is you tidy your bits and pieces away to, and then wipe down the sink. Damp cloth, wipe it down, gets rid of all the grime, and it saves all the toothpaste and everything building up in the sink, because there's nothing worse when you get to the end of the week and you've got to do a really big clean and all you've got is grime and toothpaste. It's really very disgusting. So if you do this every morning, 5 seconds, it will save you rather a lot at the end of the week. Okay, let's move on. Number 3, empty your dishwasher. Seriously, how many times I've gone to the dishwasher and pulled the door down to find clean dishes in the dishwasher as I go to load it. As soon as the little thing bleeps, unload the dishwasher. It's the only way to go, because you've got a double job then. If your dishwasher's not empty and you go to load the dishwasher again, you've got to unload it to load it. Just empty the dishwasher. That's all you've got to do. It takes 5 minutes max.
Yeah.
Okay, the one thing to do in the evening time before you go to bed, because there's nothing worse than getting up in the morning and having dirty dishes everywhere, is to empty the dishwasher. Yes, it's just finished, as you can see. Just take everything out so that your sink is empty in the morning and you've got clean cups for coffee and cereal, toast, or whatever your pleasure is first thing in the morning. Now the next tip is laundry. Do your laundry every day. If you don't do it every day, it just grows, and it grows at a phenomenal rate. So as soon as your wash is finished, put it in the dryer, and as soon as the dryer is finished, seriously, don't leave it in the dryer. Take it out of the dryer, fold it, put it away. It will save you on ironing. Your dryer will be free. Also remember to clean out the fluff and the filters. There's nothing worse than having to clean out, several lots of fluff in your filters. I did leave the boys here for a weekend and came back to, must have been a centimetre of fluff in my dryer. They didn't realise you've got to empty the water and the fluff out of the dryer, bless them. Laundry. I do laundry every day because we have a house full of men. I've got 2 sons and a husband, and the young men tend to change every single day. They also play sports, so that has to be done as well. Now what I would say to you is empty your washing machine and empty your dryer. As soon as everything is dry, take your laundry out of your dryer and fold it. It will save you ironing it. There is not a more tedious task on earth than ironing. So these are some bed linen that I've just taken out of the dryer. Now what I tend to do is I tend to fold the bed linen and the sheet and the pillowcases, and I put everything in the airing cupboard together, so it's like a set. And there's no rummaging or fumbling when you're going looking for stuff in your airing cupboard because it's all there. You just take one set out and it's done. Also, you don't have to iron t-shirts because I don't want my men in my family looking like they're, dishevelled. So I take their t-shirts out of the dryer and I fold them. I had thought about asking them to do their own laundry, but that would just be disastrous. So I gave up on that idea. So I do it.
Hang on a minute.
The last one, number 5, is please sweep your floor in the evening. Just take out a broom, sweeping brush, sweep the floor in your kitchen. There's nothing worse than traipsing down in the morning after you've had your shower and made your bed and tidied your bathroom, coming down in your bare feet to trod on not very pleasant things on your floor, because we all know as you sweep down your countertops, there's all sorts of crumbs and stuff land on your floor. So just sweep the floor before you go to bed and it's done. I promise you, it is just the easiest thing in the world, and they're just minutes. It doesn't take very long at all. And in fact, next week I might have some more tips for you. Take care. Bye.